Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
The cooking time for a Thanksgiving turkey depends largely on its weight. On average, roast your turkey uncovered at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. For a turkey weighing 8 to 12 pounds, cook for 2 3/4 to 3 hours. A 12 to 14 pound turkey needs 3 to 3 3/4 hours. For a turkey between 14 to 18 pounds, aim for 3 3/4 to 4 1/4 hours. Finally, a turkey weighing 18 to 20 pounds should cook for 4 1/4 to 4 1/2 hours. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safety.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.